What about, prior knowledge of the incident? What about intelligence sources? Was there absolutely nothing that came by the way of prior information as to such an attack would be carried out? Because this was pre-planned, premeditated, and from the look of it, took at least a few months to a year to plan this.
Shweta, first of all, I would like to offer my own condolences to all the bereaved family, and it's a National Condolence Day. What has happened is really sad, and we always talk about the intelligence failure. But let me tell you, so many things succeed, they never come get noticed. And as far as this is concerned, we call it an institutional way of attacking. It's a Pakistan absolutely and completely behind it. They have made the plans, all the guns and everything has come through various supply channels in fragmented parts, in small parts. They have been gathered. There was definitely local support available to this group. There are a lot of fringe groups in Kashmir, and they have been exploited and utilized the name of jihad, in which they have been, kind of, excited and inspired to come out with this kind of thing. But the strategy behind it, that Pakistani army chief has said that Hindus and Muslims can't live together. He cannot see that in India, which is a secular country, everyone is living together and they are growing prosperous day by day. So they also saw J&K story going up. They also saw prosperity going up. Again, tourists going into in flocks and visiting, and that's the main source of their growth. They want to cut that story again, want to push them into a kind of chaos so that J&K doesn't grow, and that makes their statement, whatever they want to say on global platform, a better and bigger one. So it's purely and simply a kind of move by the Pakistani backed deep state, particularly Pakistani army and ISI. They couldn't, digest that the J&K is on path of prosperity, peace has returned, and they created this to get the international, attention. I agree with General who said that yes, see the timing. When JD Vance is here, they did it, and when our Prime Minister is in Saudi Arabia, they did it. They want to bring about that the jihadi movement and the J&K is very important. It becomes very important for them for their
Okay.
survival, because as far as
Absolutely.
Pakistan is
And it also, in
concerned,
my
is
view,
totally hollowed out.
Air Vice Marshal, correct me if I'm wrong, in my view, it also completely decimates the argument that these are local people, that they reflect Kashmiri sentiments. They reflect
No,
absolutely
they
nothing
don't
about
reflect.
Kashmir.
Absolutely, you said it. There's nothing about Kashmir, and I would say on such a day, it's a very heartening thing to see that all the parties, all the political parties have come out in one voice to condemn this, and it's coming from everyone, from all corners. Actually, the sentences are told by Mufti. They're saying, I would say the PDP chief is really very, in a way, very unifying. She said और सारे कश्मीरी जो हैं इससे शर्मिंदा हैं. This is something coming out from her is a kind of unifying factor. This says that as far as Kashmir is concerned, they are not really into it. But of course, everywhere there'll be some small fringe group, which General has already said, all over the country they are there. And if they support and items, all your material, whether it's weapon or it's ammunition or supply chain, they get established through these routes. Over a
Right.
period, they assemble it and then they combine and attack it. This says it's a well-planned move, and it has been told after they have made the plan. Then only Pakistani
Absolutely.
army chief, now you can see
I
this thing
want to
came in.
come. I want to come to the operational bit of it.